coterminal to the angle given. Alright? So the first angle I have is 11 pi over 5. Now remember in the last class we were talking about finding coterminal angles, and we were looking at positive angles. What did we do to find an angle that was coterminal to a positive angle? We subtracted 2 pi, and we may have subtracted lots of them, depending on if we needed to or not, to get back to that space. So, if I take my 11 pi over 5, is it going to look like I'm going to need to subtract lots of 2 pi's, or will one do? One should do. So I'll subtract 1 2 pi. So that's 11 pi over 5 minus 10 pi over 5. Get a common denominator, which gives me 1 pi, or just pi, over 5. And the way you put in pi is you type in pi divided by 5 for that one. Now what about the next one? The next one is negative 8 pi over 3. What did we say we needed to do if we had negative angles and we wanted to get coterminals? Add. So I'm going to add 2 pi. 1, 2, 3. You think 2 of them? So you want me to add 2 2 pi's?
No.
No, just 1 2 pi? All right. I was going to say, I think 1 2 pi ought to do it, shouldn't it? No, I think we're right. I think the 2 2 pi's will be necessary. Because 1 will still leave me negative. But you can find that out pretty fast by doing it. So if I'm adding, I will have negative 8 pi over 3 plus, this is 4 pi, so that'll be 12 pi over 3. When I add them together, I end up with 4 pi over 3. Is that where I want to be? Is that between 0 and 2 pi? Yes, it is, so that's the answer for that one. Now, I'm personally going to skip the 59 pi over 2 because I think you guys can subtract lots of 2 pi's all by yourself. But let's look at the last one. It says 21 pi over 11. What do I do with it? It's already done. If you check this number out, this 21 over 11 is approximately what? It's a little less than 2, right? So it's between 0 and 2 pi already, so this is the answer. An angle is coterminal to itself. And so this is the angle between 0 and 2 pi that is coterminal to this angle.